Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can add bio on your Facebook profile. Maybe you want to add bio on your Facebook so that it will serve as a short description of you. So today, I am going to teach you on how you can add bio on your profile. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you'll be directed into this homepage. And today, to add your bio to your profile, you need to go to your profile page by tapping on this profile icon. And then in here, you'll see that you have no bio. To add your bio, simply tap on this edit profile. And then you'll be directed into this page. Then scroll down and you'll see in here bio. As you can see, tap on this add button. And then in here, you need to tap in description about yourself. After that, tap on this save button. As you can see, you already add your bio. You can refresh your profile page and you'll see in here your bio. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to add bio on your Facebook, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to add bio on Facebook, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.